Hi, I'm Esther.
And I'm Linda. We work at the UW Child Development Lab, and this year we're here to present to you at the WECA conference all about
Our passion, the outdoor classroom, using any green space you have, whether you be in a urban setting or a rural setting.
we would like to show you what it can look like, how it can be different, and how it can work for you. So we have lots of examples, lots of slides, lots of situations, how problems have arisen, how we've worked through them. But we would like to also take you out into a space that you haven't been before and show you how, as a new person in this space with your children, you could make it work. If you come into a presentation, we want you to know that it's not going to look the same in every spot, but it really, really works for everybody.
And it helps develop all areas of development, physical,
Social,
cognitive.
we cover all the WEMO standards. We are able to give wonderful portfolios to our parents, and we just have kids that are happy.
And confident.
Very confident. There's so many reasons to be passionate about outdoor education. We both come from very traditional preschool settings and have found that being able to come outside of our classroom, off our playground, into the beyond around us has made us happy teachers, has made our children wonderfully happy students.
And they grow in terms of self-confidence. They develop risk management and coordination and balance and
They're
social skills.
Eager learners. They're always, what's around the next corner? What can we look at? How can we play with this? We don't bring very many toys or anything out with us. The kids come out, look around, make sure it's safe, and then are engaged in what is in their environment.
Our program is based on inquiry learning. It's child-centered and child-initiated. They take all the elements that are offered to them by Mother Nature, who is our third teacher, our third co-teacher. So we take whatever Mother Nature gives us: pine cones, rocks, logs, branches,
Snow.
rain, snow, weather, any kind of weather.
And the kids roll with it, and we roll with it, and we're happier because of it.
We'd love to take you out to the beyond with us.
Come join us at this year's WECA conference in October. Registration's open now. Please join us.
See you soon.